Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 10, our final week of the summer semester. Congratulations for making it this far. You guys, if you get all the work in this week, then you'll be good. So make sure that you meet with me if you're struggling to get all the work in this week so I can help you get organized to get it done. I'm going to show you what we're going to do this week. I think I've talked about it a little bit. Um, okay, so we're going to finish up the semester with a final presentation on our theory of writing and a final draft of the theory of writing paper. This week, if you've submitted a first draft of the theory of writing paper, you're welcome to submit revisions of any of the other three papers that um, we've written this semester. You can do that for a higher grade. But just make sure you get that first draft in of the theory of writing before you do that. Any other work you want to get in this week, you're welcome to get in as well. That would be journals would be the priority because they have the biggest impact next to the papers, and then after that, the midterm and the quizzes. Um, Small assignments are okay too, but remember that it's those bigger assignments that are going to have a larger impact on your final grade. So this week, what we're going to do is we're going to spend Tuesday creating a PowerPoint for your theory of writing paper that will also function as an outline for the revision of your paper. You're going to revise your theory of writing paper um, and revise any other papers you've completed for the course if you want to. Um, and then finally on Thursday, you're going to present your theory of writing to the class. And so I'm not going to go over this in too much detail because what we'll do is we'll look at the PowerPoint template in class on Tuesday, and I'll answer any questions you have about it then. If you have questions before Tuesday's class, just email me and we can get on Teams. If your grade right now is below 70%, count on hearing from me Monday during that little office hours check-in that I do from 2 to 3 o'clock, and plan to meet with me so that you can use that time to get work done. So I'll hold office hours throughout the week. The only day I'm not holding office hours during the day this week is Wednesday. But if anybody would like to meet that day, I'll make an appointment for the evening for that. So uh, please, as usual, contact me if you got any questions about this. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you Tuesday if I don't see you before that.